Hello and welcome to the video walk around with 62H Fiat 500 in white finish with the 15-inch of Fiat alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels of the vehicle are in good condition, and the bodywork is in good condition as well. I don't see any dents or scratches on the bodywork. It's got split folding rear seats. The spare tire is in there as well. And the front view of the vehicle. It's got velour interior. The interior is also in very clean condition. 4 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. So the side airbags are over there and the side of the seats as well. And the front ones are the passenger side over there and on the steering wheel. So here on the door we have the electric mirrors. It's got electric windows as well, and it is a 5-speed manual. Multifunction steering wheel. Blue and me Bluetooth connectivity with auxiliary and USB slot. Some cup holders in the middle. 12-volt power outlet. And it's got start and stop function. Air conditioning. City mode, which makes the power and steering wheel double lighter. It is very easy to drive. Then it's got a AM FM radio and a MP3 CD player and a fixed glass sunroof. This was the video walk around of the 62H Fiat 500. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.